Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a wish list on Target. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing first, you can choose to simply do it on your target.com as well and in your app as well. So now go ahead, open up your app. Right, once you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. So for that, you have to simply go ahead and go to the section of registry or the wish list page. So as you can see, you can tap on make a list over here, which will simply require you to sign in. So I cannot create my account on this region of mine because it's not available over here. Once you have signed in, you're going to be able to access the make a list section. It will open up. You will be able to simply note it down your list, simply write down or pick the items, create a listing name, then you're going to go ahead and add items to it and you're good to go. Other thing is, once you go to your home section and you have chosen the product that you want to purchase, you have this option of simply liking it. You can see this little heart icon. Once you tap on that, you will add this product to your favorites, and once you go to the favorites section, you will be able to simply create a list, again a wish list, to categorize them. Right, you can simply go ahead and add the item to it and you're good to go. And that is it. That's how you will be able to create a wish list. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.